Review as well. Made a bit of progress with this radio. The amplifier works, but I get some strange effect. The oscillation obviously working for the radio, the oscillator. Let it warm up. Volume and tone control. That's all it does. Okay. We'll do some experimentation here. I'll turn this back on. The audio the audio is definitely working fine. It's the radio part I'm having problems with. Now as it goes on that. Nothing but distortion. Tone. Volume. That's what I get. No audio. Weird oscillations. This thing a radio and alarm system. Nothing? Nothing at all from the radio, at all. It may sound like there's static there, but it's not. Nothing changes. Nothing. And antennaing doesn't do nothing. Weird. Sounds like there's static there, huh? What? Nothing. Band switch does nothing. Putting the anode cap of this valve to the earth. This red valve is for a shortwave oscillation. I do get a reaction, but that still does nothing. Still changes nothing, so the radio part doesn't work. The amp's fine. This oscillation is weird though.
Water tower, and there we are, living waters. We offer you the water of life. Because we care about people, we offer you love and friendship, a purpose in life, a reason to live.
Fix the distortion.
We do this because we have found life through Jesus Christ, the real living water. You are very welcome to visit us on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday nights for a cuppa and a chat. We want to sponge with love.
If your life deserves recognition, someone who's made a difference in our community, then celebrate them with a nomination for the 2019 Australian Citizen and Young Citizen of the Year.
Yeah, it's
community
good.
project or event. Certainly deserves it. Nomination forms call council or go to www.vic.gov.au/awards.
Right, it's the controls. That's the amp on its own. No controls now. That's ball bypassed. The amps seem good. Not very loud, but it's not the correct way to bias it and all that sort of stuff, but it's going directly into the grid of the 6v6 GT, I'm pretty sure. Actually, no, let's go on to this valve here. That's the IF amp, I think. Audio amp, IF amp, mixer, oscillator. I've got to dig up the correct schematic for this and homework. Classic songs, eh? Classic songs. But yeah, it's pretty interesting as doing that. Turns all the way down. Yeah, the cap's discharging. The cap does discharge there. That's a big filter cap, supposed to be a 10 microfarad, which I will place it soon. That's a bit much. It just means it can put more stress on things. I'll replace the 80 with a 503 GT. Same valve, just a newer format, slightly miniaturised version. They had the G, which is like this envelope, and they weren't so big bottle shaped. G, they were small bottle shaped, like this one. And GT, they were that shape. Oh, that's hot. Not red plating though. And there, that's a GT shape of the big miniature valves. Before the miniature valves, that's what they did, I mean. But yeah, I'm looking carefully at valves. None seem to be red plating. If your valves are red plating, that means you shorten them out. That's not good for it. That's like popping a transistor on short. So I'll have to investigate this further. I jumped this across with the capacitor, jumped that across with the capacitor, and jumped this capacitor across with a new capacitor. It seemed to make no difference. I even tried this one and jumping it across, and made no difference at all. This is still fine, by the way. It's just amazing that they're formed. These coils are intact. There's no ripped coils, anything in there. The soldering's all good. There's nothing shorting out under there, so yeah, it's an interesting one. Something is it's possibly a bad valve. I'm not sure though. I haven't got the first one of these mixer oscillator valves. I've got plenty of 6v6 GTs. Interesting one. I've got to go dig out one of my other radios in my storage and see if the similar valves were here. I can just substitute and test. I can only substitute test these valves. The capacitors, I don't know. It seems alright though. It's not buggered. Yeah, anyway, it's been a challenging radio, that one here. But I did get the audio outside's working quite nicely. It's just the radio part of it doesn't work. Not completely dead, nothing at all. Absolutely nothing. I could probe it with a scope and see if I'm generating the 455 hertz intermediate frequency. It's interesting. It's an odd fault. I could just have a leaky capacitor, but as I said, jumping over the cross made no difference. It could be just my troubleshooting method. I did the Shango 066 method where you just put a good capacitor across a bad one and you should get a good change in performance and it should make a difference, but this doesn't seem to be changing anything on this particular radio. Having a hiccup is also a pain in the ass too. I have no idea what that is. I've got to dig the correct schematic out for this thing. Oh no, it's a Weldon brand and it's from a console that stands this high. And it's from at least 1945. That's all I know about it. But I just cannot find the correct original. I can find the closest schematic and just work with that, but I don't know if it applies to this one. I'll have to study it a bit more. The valve layout seems a little different. It's just got 5 valves, but I don't know, these valves could be not original, I don't know. Could be a different valve lineup that someone's put in here. Yeah, it's been a tricky one, that's for sure. But anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.